Hi, I just wanted to come on and give a review for this cute gift that my daughter just received the other day. It's the Lego heart ornament. It's for 9+, ages 9+. There's 254 pieces. It's super cute. I'm going to show you how it turned out. It comes with the building instructions. I wouldn't say, I know sometimes we buy Legos for kids that are younger. I would say like an 8 and up. Just because it was a little intricate. She did it by herself, did a great job. I'll try not to break it. You can hang it up. It comes with a cute little loop to hook in that piece so you can hang it up. I did see that there was a question on the page asking if you could change it for occasions. And I guess you could get different other Lego pieces from other kits maybe and add different colors. That would be kind of fun. But this is super cute and she was super proud when she did it. Super fun project for kids.